Hey y'all, how you doing today? I need some slaw. I'm gonna show y'all my sassy slaw. This is not your run-of-the-mill slaw. It's gonna be sassy and it's gonna be easy to make and you're gonna love it. You just need you a pound of coleslaw ready to go, chopped up. Now if you wanna do and chop your own, you go right ahead. And what I like to do when I get my slaw out here is I just start seasoning it up because y'all, we gotta do that. If we don't season it, who's gonna do it? So anyway, I put some cracked black pepper. If I don't have that, I put regular pepper and some salt. Now this is per your family's taste. So if y'all like it pretty salty, go for it. If you don't, go for it. You know, it's whatever your family likes. So I've got that going with mine. And let me tell y'all what else is in it. I've got dill pickles. Yes, it's sassy, it's sour, it's scrumptious. You got the sour from the dills and you've got some mayonnaise, you've got some tomatoes. So all of that's gonna be really good in there. So let's get started chopping this stuff up. I'm gonna remind y'all that my cookbook is on sale on Amazon and y'all get on there and get you one. It'll come right to your house. And if you look on my page, you'll see a lot of stuff that I use in cooking. All right, now I'm gonna tell y'all one of my secrets to making this a good sassy slaw. We're gonna take a little bit of this pickle juice. We're gonna pour it right in there, about 2 tablespoons, and that's all. Don't overdo it. We'll taste it later and we'll know. Are we right on target or do we need to add some more? All right, now we're just gonna cut our pickles. Now y'all can go ahead and get the dill pickles that's already sliced up, chopped up, but I didn't have any today, so this is what I do. I always usually do this kind anyway. But I cut them up and get us a good pickle bite going in there. I have several different recipes for slaw because, you know, you have all these different meals and, you know, you want a sour slaw, you want a sweet slaw. I have an apple slaw recipe, just, you know, good slaw. It goes especially good with my Sunday best pot roast, which the recipe's in the book. Okay, the next thing I got to do is get my tomatoes. Now, y'all, my tomatoes are winter tomatoes, and I'm going to show you my trick to making my winter tomatoes being a little better. This is actually called a tomato knife, and one of my friends gave me this tomato knife a long time ago and told me I was in the tomato knife club. So I have it. But anyway, we're gonna chop this up kind of like I did the pickles. And my secret is to make them taste a little bit better is to salt them before I put them in there, because the salt is gonna pull out a little bit of that water and kind of concentrate the taste. So this is what I do. I just take it and salt it a little bit and just let it sit there for a little while and let that water pull out. So we're gonna move that out of the way and cut some more. All right, now I say start low and you can always add more. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. That's 2. Oops, some fell on the tomato, whoops. So that's 3 tablespoons. Just go around and around and around and start mixing the pickles and mixing in the mayo. And that's getting pretty juicy. So in just a minute, I'll mix that in. And y'all, and the flavors get better the longer it sits together. All right, here we go. I'm about to add these in. My hands are clean. Let that juice go out there. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I may add that juice to this just to have the juice in the thing, but I gotta taste it first. Our tasters are the first line of defense against boring, bland food. Nobody wants that. All right. Oh, baby, that looks good. Now, we've got to taste it and see if we've got enough of the seasoning and if we've got enough of the pickles and the tomatoes. Because, you know, I want to get some tomatoes and pickles in every bite. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I tell you what I'm going to do right now. Y'all know I don't like to waste anything. I'm going to put the tomato juice down in it. Oh yeah. You know, let's get all the flavor in there that we can. Everybody's going to be happy with this in just a little bit for lunch. Well, you know, this would be good on a hot dog. This would be good on a sausage dog. This would be good at any time. Here's my sassy slaw. The good Lord loves you and I love you too. Y'all go look at my book and I'll see you later. Bye.